Welcome to the best picks. The best primer bulb is probably one of the most overlooked components in your outdoor power equipment, but it plays a vital role in getting your machine started. A faulty primer bulb can cause frustrating starting problems, and prevent your equipment from running smoothly. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of replacing a Stihl primer bulb, so you can get your equipment back in action quickly. Number 5. Primer bulb replacement for Homelite Eco Stihl. This is a 4-pack of primer bulb replacements. It's designed to fit a variety of models, ensuring you have spares on hand. This is a convenient solution for maintaining your equipment. The bulb has a height of 0.75 inches, a flange diameter of 0.85 inches, and a diameter of 0.725 inches. These dimensions are crucial for ensuring a proper fit. Make sure it matches your needs. This primer bulb is compatible with Stihl models such as BG45, BG46, BG55, and many more. It's a reliable replacement part for your Stihl equipment. This part will help keep your equipment running smoothly. It also fits Eco models including LHB 2100, LHD 1700, and others. This offers broad compatibility, making it a versatile choice. It's a great choice for those who own Eco equipment. Replacing the primer bulb is a straightforward process. It's designed for easy installation, allowing you to quickly get your equipment back in action. It's a simple fix for optimal performance. What we like. This primer bulb offers a wide range of compatibility, fitting numerous Stihl and Eco models. Its precise dimensions ensure a perfect fit for your equipment. If you have multiple machines or are unsure of the exact model, this is a great choice because it is compatible with so many different models. What people say. Fit the Stihl grass blower grate and plan on using it on a Stihl weed eater when that primer bulb goes out. These work great for the replacement primer bulbs on the Homelite UT20044A weed eater. It fit my Eco 225 trimmer. Number 4. AUMEL Primer Bulb Kit for Stihl String Trimmer. This is the AUMEL Primer Bulb Kit, a spare part designed for your string trimmer. It's a convenient kit that includes multiple primer bulbs, ensuring you have replacements on hand. This kit is compatible with several Stihl string trimmer models, including FS38, FS45, FS46, FS55, FS55R, FS72, FS80, FS85, and FS87. It's designed to fit perfectly and restore your trimmer's performance. The primer bulb kit replaces OEM parts for ZAMA 005, 7003 and 005, 7004. It's a reliable replacement, ensuring your trimmer runs smoothly. The outer diameter of the primer bulb is about 22 mm. This ensures a proper fit and function within your string trimmer. The package includes 10 primer bulbs, providing you with ample replacements. This ensures you're prepared for future maintenance or replacements. What we like. This kit comes with 10 primer bulbs, providing you with spares for future replacements. The bulbs are designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution and want to be prepared for future maintenance, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. When they arrived, it was apparent that they were made of good quality, and a great value for the money. The part was easy to replace and works perfectly. The product is of good quality and fits perfectly. Number 3. FLYPIG Primer Bulb for Stihl and Eco Trimmer. Is your trimmer giving you trouble? This new pack of primer bulbs is the perfect solution. It's designed to get your equipment running smoothly again. This product is compatible with a wide range of Stihl and Eco models. It replaces parts from ZAMA, Eco, and Homelite. This makes it a versatile choice for many trimmers. Replacing the primer bulb is a simple task. You can quickly install it and get back to work. This will save you time and effort. It fits many Stihl models, including BG, BR, FS, HL, HS, HT, and KM series. This ensures that it's a reliable replacement for your equipment. It also fits various Eco models, such as LHB, LHD, LHE, and LST series. This makes the product a great choice for your Eco trimmer. Get yours today and keep your trimmer running. What we like. This primer bulb is compatible with multiple brands, including Stihl and Echo. It fits a wide range of models, making it a versatile choice. If you have equipment from different brands or need a reliable replacement for various machines, this is the one you should consider. What people say. Perfect replacement for a variety of Stihl products. Have used and blower and string trimmer. Exact fit. Good quality and price for 5 bulbs. Easy to install. Number 2. HURI primer bulb fuel line for Stihl. This is a replacement part, not the original. It's designed to fit various Stihl models. It ensures your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. This fuel line is compatible with models like MS211, MS192T, MS210, and more. It's a versatile solution for your Stihl equipment. Make sure it fits your specific model. The primer bulb has a height of 31.4 mm and a width of 21.4 mm. These dimensions ensure a perfect fit for your equipment. This helps maintain optimal performance. The package includes 5 primer bulbs and 2 feet of fuel line. This provides you with everything you need for replacement. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution. Installing this fuel line is straightforward. It's designed for easy replacement. This will help you get your equipment back in action quickly. What we like. This product includes a fuel line, offering a complete replacement solution. The fuel line is designed for easy installation. If you need to replace both the primer bulb and the fuel line, this kit will save you time and effort. What people say. The primer bulb is an exact fit and works perfectly. This is a perfect replacement for my Stihl equipment. The product is exactly what I needed and works great. Number 1. RAParts primer bulb for Stihl trimmer blower chainsaw. This is a new aftermarket replacement primer bulb. It is designed to fit various Stihl models. Make sure to verify the fit before ordering. This primer bulb is compatible with Stihl trimmers, blowers, and chainsaws. It is a direct replacement for the original part. This will help the machine to start easier. The OEM number is provided for reference only. Please double-check the part number to ensure it matches your needs. It is a reliable replacement part. The size of the primer bulb is 3/4 inch tall. The size is important for proper fit and function. It is a quality replacement part. Please note that some listings may use stock images. The actual product may slightly differ from the image. It is still a high-quality replacement. What we like. This is an aftermarket replacement primer bulb, offering a reliable solution. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a simple and effective replacement, this is a great option. What people say. This primer bulb was the perfect fit and very easy to install. Exact fit. 5 to 10 minute install, perfect replacement for my Stihl blower. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.